So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to save note to files on your iPhone. So starting off, you'll first need to open up your Notes app. Then you will need to go to that specific note you want to save to files. And you can go to the share button. So once you have done that, so let's go to a specific note that can be downloaded. So let's open up a note. On here, just type in something. So that's fine. And on here, you can see a couple different things at the top. So you can revert that or undo. You can see some more options here like scan, find a note, move to note, delete, attachments, stuff like that. You can then see the share button. So let's click the share. And from that point, you will see maybe some recently shared contacts or contacts that you may talk with or use. You can also then see at the bottom or at near bottom underneath print and over some CS favorites, you can click on save to files. Now, once you've clicked on that node should be there. You can select that destination folder and tap on save. After that, it's going to be saved into your files as well, so you can find it within your files, and that can be helpful if you're looking to send it as an email or to send it as an attachment to someone. It's going to be easier if it's within your files folders. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone notes or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.